Hey everyone, welcome back to the next video from Pop Fiction Investor. This video will be taking a look at a brand new product that released today, Star Trek Discovery Season 3 from Rittenhouse. Brand new product from Rittenhouse. Gives me an opportunity to talk Rittenhouse because I just looked at their upcoming release calendar, which was just updated, and there's some glorious stuff coming in the next year or two from Rittenhouse. So looking forward to talking about that. We'll talk some Star Trek Discovery. We'll talk about some pop culture stuff, pop fiction stuff. And why don't we just get started and going here. This particular video, just doing a one box break on this one hobby box here. Not really going big on this product. Kind of saving up for Star Wars Masterworks, if that hopefully comes out this month. We'll see about that. But for now, we're just going to open up this individual box, number 367 of 8,000 hobby boxes in this print run for Star Trek Discovery Season 2. So let's bust this open. And let's start by talking Rittenhouse. Like I said, I looked at, if you check their website, it's sci-fi-hobby.com. Hopefully I don't stutter my words again like my last video. But maybe that might be okay, because my last video, thank you all for watching that, about to hit 2,000 views. Definitely the most successful video I've made so far, so thank you all for watching that. But anyway, going back to Rittenhouse, looked at their release calendar, and they got tons of cool stuff coming out. If you look at my last Game of Thrones video, at the time, there's no new Game of Thrones products coming out. That has changed. At the end of this year, I don't know why it's not going down over here. I don't want to really force it. There we go. Look at that. So anyway, at the end of the year, look at these packs too. Very nice foil packs. Rittenhouse really does it nice with these packs here. 24 packs per box. I think it's just 5 cards per pack. Yeah, 5 cards per pack. 2 autographs and a relic card in this product. So let's get to it. Anyway, going back to Game of Thrones, there's going to be a new Rittenhouse Game of Thrones product coming in the fall called Game of Thrones Archives, which I'm assuming is they probably have a lot of leftover in the Thrones autographs from all the prior products they released, so they might be doing maybe a new base set with some of their leftover autographs. That's what I'm assuming is probably going to go on with that. But anyway, looking forward to a new Game of Thrones product releasing hopefully in the fall of this year. Start going through these cards here. Still not sure exactly. Some kind of foil card it looks like. Not sure how to separate these just yet, but I should have looked at maybe the set checklist for this product instead of the coming soon list, but it is what it is. So besides Game of Thrones, there is also going to be, in 2023, Game of Thrones will be expanding their universe with House of the Dragon, and Rittenhouse confirmed they will be releasing a Season 1 House of the Dragon trading card product. And that, if the show is anywhere near being good, I will definitely go big on Season 1 House of the Dragon trading cards from Rittenhouse. Those aren't expected until 2023, though. That being said, for 2022, there still is also their Star Trek product coming out, Star Trek The Next Generation, Inscriptions and Archive, I believe it is. What is this? 32nd Century Technology? The Mangel Spore Drive Interface. Interesting. Okay. So personally, I've watched a couple episodes of Star Trek Discovery. I'm not too knowledgeable on that particular show. I did grow up watching Next Generation, So did see pretty much, if not every episode, probably as many episodes as I could have. And I'll go in on that product when it comes out. Also a Twin Peaks Archives expansion product coming from Rittenhouse, and a number of other stuff too. So some strong product releases in the next year or two from Rittenhouse that I'm looking forward to. Tikuvma, the Vulcan Hello. Looks like some sort of character insert there. So while I haven't watched a lot of Star Trek Discovery, like I said, I do enjoy Star Trek. It's a nice fictional universe that a lot of people enjoy. There's a lot of shows to catch up on, a lot of viewing potential. I did sign up actually, to actually review this product. I was going to watch a few more episodes, but I ended up kind of started watching Star Trek Picard. So I'm getting into that show actually instead of Discovery for now. But I do kind of read. I do get spoiled on things since I don't watch some of these shows. I do try and keep up with some of what's going on, but it looks like in season 3 there's some time travel going on. Out to ooh, that card looks pretty cool. Some time travel going on out to, I think, the future. It said like 930 years in the future, perhaps. I don't know. Don't quote me on that. So this is episode 303. Storyboard artwork. Oh yeah, storyboard parallels here. Lots of Rittenhouse has some nice little inserts that they include. I don't know if these are just like a foil parallel insert of the base cards, or like a foil version of the base cards. Christopher Pike, character insert. From what I've seen on the Star Trek Discovery show, though, I do like they have some very nice visuals, some nice cinematography going on from what I've seen in the 2 episodes I've watched. Oh, we got our first autograph. Oded Fair. What we got here? This limited edition autograph card has been signed by Oded Fair as Admiral Charles Vance. And our first hit of the box autograph of Oded Fair as Admiral Charles Vance. I think with Rittenhouse, you could go online. They have the set checklist. You could see. Nice thing, they show kind of the rarity of some of these autograph cards. They categorize them as scarce, which is typically less than 100 cards considered scarce. There's extremely limited, which is 100 to 200. Very limited, which is like 2 to 300. Limited, which is like 3 to 500, I believe. And our second autograph, I believe that's the rankings that they choose. Some of like the inscriptions in Game of Thrones, like they'll give each inscription, they'll give the print run like down to like 10 to 15 if it's that low. But with these, I think they'll just give the general scarce if it's less than 100. So I will look into the rarity on some of these, but we have Bill Irwin as Sukal. Alright, so still should get a relic card. And I'm not sure what else to expect out of this product. Is that Spock? That is Spock. Nice Spock. Again, I believe these are like a more limited parallel to the base set with the foiling on the bottom here. And these cards, like some cards, you know, you could actually flip over, do it like that, and you get it. Yeah. Some cards aren't always like that. Alright, moving along here. Sometimes Rittenhouse packs are easy to open. These are a little more tricky. Lurel. Such Sweet Sour Part 2. Yeah, this is a unique kind of insert. Should have researched what exactly the inserts were before I started this video. You know, Star Trek Discovery looked like they're actually on the 4th season. It's just streaming, and it looks like it's wrapping up the 4th season. So I'm assuming there will be another season 4 product. Which actually I think I did see on the upcoming calendar for Rittenhouse. Another upcoming product from Rittenhouse that I'm really excited about. Any Twin Peaks fans out there? I do like Twin Peaks. I did get in, before I started actually making my YouTube channel, I did get a couple Twin Peaks Archives hobby boxes. So I opened about, oh, we have some kind of relic insert here that's stuck in the box. We'll get to that. We'll get to that. There's some kind of weird shaped thing there. Probably base card, base card. Ooh, a red parallel. Is that numbered? Far From Home. Alright, interesting. This one has red foiling on it, though I don't see any parallel numbering on it. We have a red foil there of card number 12. So anyway, yeah, I was a Twin Peaks fan. They have a Twin Peaks Archive expansion set coming out from Rittenhouse. I believe that's later this year. So I would get in on that. Big fan of that. Could use a Kyle MacLachlan as Agent Cooper autograph in my collection. I'm also thinking about, I actually have some wrappers collected. Rittenhouse has a rewards program too, so if you actually hold on to the wrappers, oh yeah, this thing. If you hold on to the wrappers and actually send in the wrappers, there's some rewards you could get, including some pretty cool looking rewards cards. If I do cash some in, I was looking at that Picard relic card on their website. Now, what is this? KB1. Some kind of folding? Yeah. I This is my first time seeing something like this in a trading card product. This is pretty cool. KB1, some kind of... Oh yeah, I did look at the set list actually at one point. It's a weird name I don't know how to pronounce. And there's like these foldable little insert things here. Obviously in, I don't know, is that Klingon or Romulan? You know, I have no idea what that says or what building that is. But yeah, interesting little cut, foldable card here. I don't know if this is the relic hit or if we can still expect a relic hit. That's another little interesting insert here. Getting those out. Yeah, and from here, I think, for those that don't know, Pop Fiction Investor is just a part-time gig for me. I do have a full-time job. I am a business/financial analyst, so I do try and apply my financial knowledge to this endeavor. And trying to make profits here. This was the storyboard art from episode 309, Terra Firma, part 1. Interesting too, with season 3, I saw they start out with part 1 of an episode, then the finale was part 2. So I do, like I said, a lot of TV shows to watch and catch up on. I do at some point, you know, I do like what I see with Star Trek Discovery. It's just not enough hours in the day to watch everything. Like I wish I could. Because again, I have a boring full-time job. And while I may be winding things down in the summer, I did do a lot of videos over the winter here. I may wind it down a little bit so I could get outside and enjoy the, live outside of Chicago, the nice Midwestern summertime weather that we get here, a couple months out of the year. But of course, if, like I said, if Masterworks comes out, look for me doing a Masterworks, probably a 2-box break. That'd be like a quarter case of Masterwork I would get. There is the Star Wars Bounty Hunters that was originally supposed to come out in August of 2021 per the original marketing materials. That still has not come out yet. That was officially pushed back to April. But I'd open some of those too, maybe quarter case of that. I think there's some Marvel cards coming out that I might get in on. But what would you like to see me open? You know, leave a comment in the comments if there's any particular product coming out in 2022, non-sport, that you would like me to open. And I will do my best to do at least a 1-box break on that, if not more. Oops. Getting down to the last couple packs of this 1-box break. I believe I've run out of things to talk about now. Uh-oh. awkward quiet time. This feels a little thicker than the other ones. If there is a relic, it might be in this pack. Let's see. I do believe we got a relic hit here, so it looks like this is just a regular insert there. Let's see what we got for a relic. Lieutenant Audrey Willa. What we got here? This card contains an authentic piece of costume material for Lieutenant Audrey Willa. So we do get, and then there's the foil parallel base card. So yeah, you do get this little insert too, I guess. So yeah, these were 1 in, I think, 24 packs, if I recall correctly. I did look at the set list, not recently, but like maybe a week or so ago. And this is our relic hit of the box. So interesting little source, or no, not source fabric, those are Star Wars, sorry. This contains, Rittenhouse contains authentic pieces of costume material. So this was probably used in the show, as in the picture here. It looks like that top part across her shoulders and upper torso there. Yeah, cool little fabric relic there from Star Trek Discovery Season 3. And that will go in the super thick top loader, which I do have plenty of. Which, note to myself, as I edit this video, I need more regular top loaders. Order more top loaders. Pop Fiction Investor. All right. And our third and final hit of this one box break. An authentic piece of costume material for Lieutenant Audrey Willa. And we are down to the last 3 packs. As I was saying before, my last video definitely got some views there. Thank you all who watched. Thank you all who liked. If you like this video, be sure to hit that like button. You know, I'm not really good at kind of doing that sort of thing on my channel. I feel like I'm begging for like likes and subscribe, but you know, if you do enjoy what you're seeing, I do plan on releasing a whole bunch more videos throughout the year at random times. So if you do want to catch up on the latest videos from Pop Fiction Investor, I would appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button. That helps this channel grow. That helps me. It doesn't really help me in any way, to be honest with you. It boosts my ego. Not gonna lie. It's totally selfish that I'm asking you to do this for me. But if you want, be sure to hit that subscribe button. More videos coming. You'll be notified as soon as they come out. More Star Wars, more Marvel, more Game of Thrones, more Star Trek The Next Generation I'll get in on. Maybe some Twin Peaks. Lots of pop fiction goodness to be had on this channel. And this will do it for our one box break of Star Trek Discovery. Again, always love opening Rittenhouse products. Love the numbering. Love how they're limited to usually around 10,000. This one's lower, around 8,000. Love that they do on-card autographs. Both are on-card autographs instead of a sticker. Love that the relics are actual costume material used in the show, as opposed to, you know, some are source fabric relics. Do love that sort of thing. So I guess you kind of got the recap of this box. Our top hits again. were Oded Fair as Admiral Charles Vance, Bill Irwin as Sukal, and the fabric relic of Lieutenant Audrey Willa. We got this unique little guy here, KB1, a folding little insert here. We got a red, assuming that's a red foil parallel. Not sure if these are limited or it's definitely not numbered, but not sure if they're limited to a certain number or not per each base set card. Got a couple storyboard concept art cards. What's this then? 32nd century technology. We could maybe use some of that in the 21st century here. And we got some character cards. I like the design on these. These are a pretty cool looking design. I think this is another character. Yeah, it probably is. Yeah, another character card. So that will do it for this one box break. Thank you all for watching, and good fortune to you on your collectible endeavors.